Good afternoon crafters, it's Sarah here from Craftsuprint. I do hope you're having a lovely day. I have a fantastic card to show you this week, which was sent in by our exclusive designer, David Cooke. And I also have an amazing freebie from Atlic Snezana coming up later in the show. First of all, I'd like to show you this fantastic vintage birthday card designed by David Cooke and also known as Grufbears Crafts. This kit makes a complete card and is supplied on 4 different craft sheets. The cup number for this design is cup 948275_7683. The decoupage is supplied as a step-by-step, but if you would like to add more layers, just print off more of the relevant sheets. Although the card is shown with a birthday greeting, a spare scroll is provided so you can change the greeting to anything you wish. This means you can use the card for any occasion you want, including get well or a Mother's Day or Easter, something like that. The card back and insert has lots of room for your own verses should you wish to add one. David has told me that this card was inspired by a vintage design he saw on the internet. I think it's really lovely and would look fantastic on any of your mantelpieces or shelves. Okay, the card, as you can see, it's absolutely beautiful. All of the elements are included on the decoupage sheets. But if you can see, David has added the sticky pads just to make them more bold, obviously, but he's added quite a few there. I think he's added 4, and to add to the card, he's what looks like to me as though he's varnished them. It looks absolutely beautiful. Thank you to you, David, for sending this card in. And now I'd like to tell you about one of our fun free games. For those of you who didn't know, we give you a free gameplay with every single order you place on Craftsuprint. We have 3 fun games, which are Roulette, Tombola and a higher or lower card game. There are various prizes you can win, such as a free craft download, a gift voucher, and you can even win your full order value back. This week I'd like to show you Fun Roulette game. We filmed this in the park around the corner from us here in Warrington, and honest, we had a great laugh doing so, as you will see in the intro. Enjoy!
Hello crafters, a big warm welcome to Crafty Bob's Crazy Roulette game. The rules are simple. You get 1 play on Crafty Bob's Crazy Roulette wheel. If the ball lands in the red, you win a free download. If the ball lands in the black, you win a £2 gift voucher. And if the ball lands in the green, you win the value of your cart from your last order. It's the craziest, wackiest game of roulette you're ever gonna play. Come on, Crafty Bob, spin the wheel and win me a prize. Woo.
Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed that short video. As you can see, it's really worth spending a little extra on your order. You can even win your full order value back on one of our free games. So what are you waiting for, crafters? Here we go, crafters, the main event and what you've all been waiting for. This week's freebie is by Atlic Snezana and is a polka dot ladies handbag card. It comes with 4 sheets And you also get some extras which make this lovely mini card or a large gift tag. The cup number for this design is cup 715904_1641. Okay, so let me just show you. First of all, you get the 4 sheets, as you can see. I mean, they're absolutely beautiful. But being a lady myself, I do like a handbag. And yes, I do like shoes. And I really love polka dot shoes. This one, they've been varnished. And it just really stands out from the card. Honest, the way you think of these things, just a little bits, just make it wonderful. They've added glitter here onto the lovely little butterflies. I mean, to me, it just makes me want to go out and buy a lovely polka dot bag. I am telling you. And this is the extra. Look at that as a gift card. Look, inside and out. I mean, you could personalise it even more. You could put, this one's got a light blue bow on, but you could put any colour that you wish. You could have a black one to go with the black bag if that's their favourite colour. You could have red to go with the red one. And the insert inside just finishes the card. I just think, honest, it's absolutely beautiful. Showing these off, absolutely amazing. Okay, I'm going to hand you over to Anne-Marie and she will show you how to make this beautiful, fantastic, amazing card. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie. Welcome to this episode of Cup TV, brought to you by www.craftsuprint.com. In this episode, we're going to be looking at a design by Atlic Snezana, and it's the Polka Dot Ladies Handbags Boutique Card Mini Kit. The cup number is cup 715904_1641. Now in the kit, you actually get 4 sheets plus 2 extras, and we're going to run through the main 4 sheets that you get. So the first sheet is the large base image that you're going to need to make your card. The second sheet is the card back or the inside of the card. We're going to use it as an insert today. The third sheet is the decoupage with the beautiful handbags on and even gorgeous the shoes. Look at the heels on those. Don't we wish we could still wear those? Well, I do. So those are the 4 handbags. We're going to build those up into decoupage onto the card front. And then you get an extra sheet to be able to make a mini card, and there's lots of sentiments to be able to add to either the mini card or the large card. So we'll make the large card first. Now it's a larger size, and I've actually used 2 pieces of A4. I've cut one down to just short of 9 inches by 7 inches, and then the other one I cut down to 7 inches wide, scored it at 9 inches and used the overlap on the back, which you would be able to print the insert sheet twice and cover that up. But just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to use it on the inside of the card. So we're going to start and we're going to add the insert first to our card. So I've cut it out and I've added flat tape on the back. Sorry, I was thinking I'd added foam tape. So I've added flat tape on the back of the card, insert, and we're just going to add this through the centre of our card, like so. Press it down so that it sticks firmly, and then we can create our card front. Now you'll notice I didn't point it out, I'm actually using mine as a portrait fold. So you could create it as a landscape fold as well if you wished. So we're going to add the card front, and this is the base image that you will use to build up all the decoupage on the front. This is with flat tape behind it, and we'll try and get it nice and central. There we go. And oh, not to worry, fill that little bit in, these things happen. And pop that, try again, nice and central, and press it down. There we go. Now we can use our decoupage pieces to start building up the card front. So I'm going to start at the top and work my way down. So I've taken the handbags and added 3D foam on the back of them, and we're simply just adding them through the design underneath and then marrying them up over the top. If you want to add glossy accents or pearls, anything to embellish the design, these would look beautiful with crystals, etc. So I've added the 3 handbags, and now with the shoes I've added glossy accents on there just to give them that glossy look. They're on 3D foam, so they will stand out against the base of the design. There we go. And I've taken the flowers for the top of the design because you get lots of decoupage with this. And then 2 little butterflies. I've added a little bit of glitter for that twinkle, and I'm going to add 1 to one side and 1 just at the other on the handbag. And that is our card finished. It's a beautiful design, and it's just worthy of so many different causes and occasions. I just love that. So pretty. Ideal for so many as well, as I say. And the butterflies with the glitter, it just gives it such a little twinkle. So the mini card that's also included in the kit, what I've done is I've cut a piece of cardstock and added a little bow at the top, and then I've taken the insert panel, I've got flat tape on the back of it. Not having a lot of luck today with positioning things, and we're adding that through the centre of the card, and then the top panel, again just flat tape on it, and I'm just going to position that through the centre and under that little bow, and that would act as a gorgeous gift card to go with the larger card. Such a gorgeous design. Please check out the design, and please check out Snezana's other designs as well. I'd like to repeat the cup number. It's cup 715904_1641. And I'd just like to say thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you next episode.
Thanks, Anne-Marie, for that wonderful tutorial. I'm sure all our crafters are downloading the freebie as we speak, and we'll be making this card today. That's all I have time for today. I'd like to thank David Cooke for sending in a fantastic card, Atlic Snezana for supplying this week's freebie, and also to Anne-Marie for showing us all how to make it. Make sure you follow Atlic Snezana and David Cooke, aka Grufbears Crafts, next time you visit our wonderful website. Tune in the same time next week, where I will have something very special to show you. Don't forget to share this video. It's really easy to share on Facebook and YouTube, and don't forget to tell all your friends about our weekly TV show. Oh, just before I go, I was up in Durham over the weekend, had a very lovely time. The weather did help. It was very, very nice. A little bit chilly in the morning, but it was very, very nice. Went into the market hall there. Met one of our crafters, one of our lovely crafters in the crafty nook called Susan. She made me very welcome. She had the most amazing cards. Thank you for making me so welcome, and it was really lovely to meet you, Susan. Next time, if you're ever in Durham, anyone, please go in and see her. As I say, she had the most amazing cards. And that's it for now. So see you all next time, crafters. Bye!